Hello, I'm Chuck Piscatello, one of the senior instructional designers here at Ashland University. And for this one burning question, I wanted to introduce the Lightboard. The Lightboard is an amazing device where a presenter can show their face while writing on a board. Without having to turn around, they can still show their face and write on a board like this. So I can easily write my name. And it's not transposed by the camera. Students can read it from left to right without a problem. We can easily erase the content. We can provide slides and bullets on a PowerPoint. Like this, just on a black slide with white text, it shows up on the screen. You can also share assets like images and videos. Here is a map of some of our athletic facilities. If we wanted to show students where to go, if we wanted to show people where our facilities are, where the soccer field is, where the football field is, where to enter for football games, and so on. So there are many events that we can show. We can annotate like different walking paths and point out key areas on a map. This can be used in great application in geography classes and religion classes where you're showing a map. You can use equations, you can write for English classes to annotate. You can write equations in math and in chemistry, all your sciences. Anytime that you use the board, but that off chance where you have to write in a video. Instead of just using a Ziggy camera, the students can still see you, you can annotate, and they can still know that you are presenting and see your face. And the setup is quite simple. In front of me is a pane of glass that's illuminated with a couple light features. I can turn down the bright light where I disappear and you only see the screen. And you also can turn down the neon light, which shows the neon markers. In front of me, there are two monitors. One monitor shows what is on the camera, which is also on the same rig. The other monitor is my computer, where my recording options are. Different assets that I can drag in are all there. So that same map I can drag in. Here's that PowerPoint. Here's a window. So you could drag things in and it shows up on the screen. Just have to keep in mind that it shows up better, black background, white writing. This all can be recorded to Kaltura. This is currently being recorded on Kaltura, but also you can record in Zoom for a synchronous class, in Teams in a synchronous class, or Microsoft Streams in the same way that you record for Kaltura. Many different options for recording and sharing this type of video. If you're interested in using a Lightboard, please reach out to LearnAU. We're happy to schedule a time to work with you.